Unleash your quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in. Red out receipt now. Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abrawe, Uncle Netab, a dead and Danny, the plan of Odachi, 45 city, intimate Tordine, no sweet Miss Ever Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year, come with this year. Make a crowd.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling true. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charity School is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. May draw you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me to pay. We hope you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Show me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Signs application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. At Dancer Travels, feel life's beauty.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the Collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.
Hello everyone. You are welcome to the prelim stage of the 2025 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this 15th contest, we have Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, Fijai Senior High School, and Odas Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Nsutaman did not make it to the National Championship last year. However, they've earned their spots at the prelim stage this year, qualifying as a top runner-up from the Ashanti region. They are represented by
Asafo Ejei Nyantechi, Owusu Arjen Edmond.
Nsutaman, tell us, how has your journey been in the competition? What should we expect from you?
It has been an interesting one. There has been lots of setbacks, but today we are here, and we are hoping the Almighty God will be with us as in the beginning.
Okay. Best wishes to you. Our next school is Fijai Senior High School. Also, they are coming as a top runner-up from the Western Regional Qualifiers, and they are represented by
Isha and Frederick Festinus.
Theophilus Mensah.
Okay. How about you? How did the regional qualifying competitions go for you, and what should we expect from you at this stage?
Okay, so far so good. We are very grateful to God, and we pray that He will sail us through this contest successfully.
Okay, best wishes to you as well. So today we have the the schools competition from the Ashanti, the Western, and Oda is coming from the Eastern Regional Qualifiers, also as a top runner-up. Oda Senior High School is represented by
Nketia Emmanuel. Nsutaman.
Okay. Oda Senior High School, tell us about your journey through the qualifying stages up until now, and what should we expect from you?
The journey has been very interesting, and with help from God, we know we will surely move to the next stage of this contest.
Okay. Best wishes to you. Best wishes to all our competing schools. Some rules for this contest. We'll have the contest in 5 rounds. We are going to start in round 1, where your knowledge of theories and concepts in physics, mathematics, chemistry, and biology will be tested. And the test will happen via a series of questions that will come to your school. You have to work as a team and provide an answer. If the question involves calculations, you have 30 seconds. If there are no calculations, 10 seconds. I take your answer in 1 attempt. A correct answer will earn you 3 points. An incorrect answer, the question becomes available and another school can rank for it as a bonus question. If they answer correctly, they earn a point, 1 point. If the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1 to the school that takes the bonus question and gives an incorrect answer. When you are ready to take a question as a bonus question, kindly wait for me to rule on the question for the main school before you ring your bell so you don't disrupt the competition. Okay. Are we good to go? In this round, I'll start with Nsutaman Catholic. And the contest starts with a preamble to all the schools. Mention the part of the thallus, THALLUS, of brown algae to which the given descriptions refer. So I'll describe something and tell me the part of the thallus of the brown algae I'm talking about. Nsutaman, the anchor-shaped structure that helps in anchorage to surfaces. Go ahead. Your main question, just speak into the microphone.
The stack.
No, that's incorrect. A bonus. Fijai.
Hold fast.
Yes, it's a hold fast. Fijai, your own question. The leaf-shaped structure where photosynthesis takes place.
Blade.
Yes, it's a blade. Order, the stem-shaped structure that upholds the blade.
The stalk.
No, a bonus. Fijai.
Stipes.
Yes, it's a stipe. A preamble to all the schools. Name one element with atomic number greater than 10 and whose symbol begins with the letter H. I'll take that again. Name one element with atomic number greater than 10 and whose symbol begins with letter H.
Mercury.
Yes, mercury is correct. Fijai.
Hafnium.
Yes, hafnium is also correct. Oda.
Hafnium.
Hafnium is also correct. And the last one is holmium. Okay, there are 4 of them. Okay, find the speed of an object of mass m and kinetic energy k. Nsutaman, m is 0.3 kilograms and k is 60 joules. Yes.
20 meters per second.
Yes, that's correct. Fijai, M is 4 kilograms and K is 18 joules. Yes.
3 meters per second.
Yes, it's 3 meters per second. Order, M is 5 kilograms and K is 40 joules. Yes.
4 meters per second.
Yes, it's 4 meters per second. Find the value, a preamble. Find the value of A and the value of B such that Nsutaman, a fraction, its numerator is 2x. Denominator is the expression x minus 3 squared. Equals a fraction with numerator A, denominator the expression x minus 3, plus the last fraction, numerator B, denominator the expression x minus 3 squared. Yes, Edmund.
B equals 6 and A is equal to 2.
Yes, that's correct. Fijai. And a fraction, numerator is 3x plus 1. And denominator is the expression x plus 1. Sorry, I'll take that again. The fraction, its numerator is 3x plus 1. Its denominator is the expression x plus 2 squared. This equals a fraction with numerator A, denominator x plus 2, plus a fraction with numerator B, and denominator the expression x plus 2 squared. Yes, Frederick.
B is -5 and A is equal to 3.
Yes, that's correct. Order, a fraction, numerator is 2x minus 5, denominator is the expression x plus 3 squared, equals a fraction with numerator A, denominator x plus 3, plus a fraction numerator B, denominator the expression x plus 3 squared. Go ahead, Samuel.
B is equal to -11 and A is equal to 2.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so a preamble. Group the given organism based on its coelom, and I'll spell that for you, COELOM. So tell me what type of organism this is based on its coelom, COELOM. Nsutaman, flatworm. Flatworm. Yes. Go ahead.
Pseudocoelomate.
No, it's not pseudocoelomate. Yes. Sorry, Oda.
Acoelomate.
Repeat that.
Acoelomate.
Yes, it's acoelomate. Fijai, roundworm. Roundworm.
Coelomate.
Repeat that.
Coelomate.
No. A bonus. Okay, so the roundworm is pseudocoelomate. And then order Annelida. Annelida.
Pseudosilomate.
No. And okay, I was going to, yes, go ahead, Fijai.
Celomate.
No. So Annelida is EU Celomate. EU and then Celomate. Okay. Nsutaman aluminium is produced from aluminium oxide. Actually, this is a preamble to all the schools. Aluminium is produced from aluminium oxide by the reaction Al2O3 plus 3C gives 2Al plus 3CO. Aluminium is produced from aluminium oxide by the reaction Al2O3 plus 3C, giving 2Al plus 3CO. Nsutaman, how many grams of aluminium is produced from the reaction of 2.55 kilograms of aluminium oxide with excess carbon? 2.55 kilograms of aluminium oxide with excess carbon. Yes, go ahead.
It is equal to 0.35 kilograms.
No, a bonus. Order.
67.5 grams.
No. Okay, I'll come to the answers, Fijai. Assuming an excess amount of aluminium oxide reacts, determine the mass of aluminium formed from the reaction of 18.0 kilograms of carbon. Yes.
27 kilograms.
No. A bonus. Nsutaman.
So it is 71.0 kilograms.
No. Order, given that 3.06 kilogram of Al2O3 and 1.44 kilogram of carbon react, determine the mass of aluminium produced. Yes, Samuel.
1.62 grams.
No. A bonus. Yes, Vijay.
54.0 kilograms.
No. So you all missed the, I'm not sure which factor you used, but you missed an order I gave you in kilograms. So it's 1.62 kilograms, not grams. And Fijai, your answer was 2.70 kilograms, not 27 kilograms. And in Nsutaman, 1.35 kilograms. A preamble. Find the resistance of a wire of the given dimensions made of material of resistivity 5.0 by 10 to the power negative 7 ohm meter. So find the resistance of a wire of the given dimensions made of material of resistivity 5.0 by 10 to the power negative 7 ohm meter. Nsutaman, the diameter equals 2.0 millimeters and length equals 5.0 centimeters. Yes, go ahead.
So I have it to be equal to 1.3 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 6 ohms.
No, a bonus. Fijai, diameter is 7.0 millimeters and length is 8.0 centimeters. A bonus. Your diameter is 6.0 millimeters and length equals 12 centimeters. Go ahead with the answer.
It is 3.2 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 3 ohms.
No, a bonus. Okay, Oda, your answer was 2.1 milliohms. Fijai, 1.0 milliohms. And then Nsutaman, 8.0 milliohms. Our last set of questions for the round. Preamble. Given vectors A equals 2i plus 3j and B equals 3i minus 3j, find the value of a constant k such that the vector, I'll take that again. Given the vectors A equals 2i plus 3j and B equals 3i minus 3j, find the value of a constant k such that Nsutaman 2a plus kb is parallel to I. A bonus. Fijai 2A plus KB is parallel to J. A bonus. Order KA plus 2B is parallel to J.
K is equal to 4.
No, a bonus. Okay, order K equals -3. Fijai K equals -4 on 3. And Nsutaman K equals 2. That brings us to the end of round 1.
brings you quality choices with Gold Super XP. Available in many Gold stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Gold station today and energize your ride with Gold Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Gold Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, ya, ya.
At the end of round 1, the scores are Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School 8 points, Oda Senior High School 9 points, Fijai Senior High School 12 points. Round 2 is the speed race. In this round, each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. and the first school to ring their bell gets the opportunity to answer for 3 points. If that answer is incorrect, a second school can answer for 2 points. Once again, if the second answer is incorrect, then a third school can answer but for 1 point. At any time, an incorrect answer attracts a penalty point of 1. When you ring your bell, you have 3 seconds within which to begin your answer. If you don't, after 3 seconds, a bell will go indicating that another school that has rung their bell can go ahead with their answer. Okay. The speed race is sponsored by Truster AI, your real-world experience. Our first question for the speed race. Calculate the magnitude of the heat released when 25.0 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, given that its molar enthalpy of solution is negative 44.0 kilojoules per mole. Yes, Nsutaman. Go ahead.
So it is equal to 27.5 kilojoule.
That's correct. Calculate the moles of carbon dioxide produced when 0.50 mole of propene with an E is burned. Yes, Nsutaman.
The moles is 0.15 mole.
No. Who else rang the bell? Yes, Fijai.
1.5 mole.
Yes, it's 1.5 moles. Calculate the mass of magnesium hydroxide present in 0.600 mole of a sample. Yes, Fijai.
44.4 grams.
No. Have you rang your bell? Okay. Yes. Okay, no. Oda rang their bell first. Oda, yes.
It is 3.48 grams.
No. Did you ring your bell? Yes. Okay, go ahead.
34.8 grams.
Yes, it's 34.8 grams. Find the horizontal range of a projectile launched at 10 meters per second and aimed 15 degrees above the horizon. Yes.
5 meters.
Yes, it's 5 meters, Fijai. But you let me call your school first, okay? So you don't give the answer away if you didn't ring the bell. Find the mass of an object composed of a substance of specific heat capacity, 4,200 joules per kilogram Kelvin, if its heat capacity is 840 joules per Kelvin. Yes, Nsutaman.
So it is equal to 5.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 3 kilogram.
No. Who else rang their bell? Fijai.
0.20 kilograms.
Yes, that's correct. Find the magnitude squared. So find the magnitude squared of the resultant of a 3 Newton force and a 4 Newton force, which make an angle. Yes.
25 Newton.
No. Which make an angle of 60 degrees. Fijai.
37 Newton.
No. Yes, Oda.
13 Newton.
No. So, okay. We can come back. I have 37 Newton squared. Okay. Mr. Mensah is 4 times as old as his daughter Amma. In 10 years, he will be thrice as old as Amma. Find their ages 2 years from now. Oh, okay. So Mr. Mensah will be 82 and then Amma will be 22. Okay. Simplify. So simplify. A fraction, numerator is 5 plus 2 root 5 and denominator is 5 minus 2 root 5. Fijai.
45 plus 20 root 5.
No. Who else rang the bell? Yes.
50 minus 2 root 10 all over 5.
No. I'll allow that.
10 plus 4 root 5 over 5.
No. Fijai, what was your answer?
45 plus 20 root 5.
That was it? Okay, no, that's incorrect. Okay. So I have 9 plus 4 root 5. Okay. If sine A equals 3 over 5 and cos B equals 3 over 5 and both A and B are acute, evaluate sine of A plus B. So sine of the expression. Yes, Fijai.
24 over 25.
No. Who else rang their bell? Oda.
It is 23 over 25.
No. Did they ring the? Oh, if you rang your bell, go ahead. Yes.
So it is 1.
Yes, it is 1. Respiration and photosynthesis are central to which biogeochemical cycle? Carbon cycle. Which major biomolecule is responsible for selective uptake of materials across the plasma membrane? Which major biomolecule is responsible? Yes, Nsutaman.
The phospholipid bilayer.
I'll accept it. So it's a lipid. What name is given to large mitochondria found in striated muscle fibers. Sarcosomes. And that brings us to the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, the scores are Odan Senior High School 5 points, Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, 12 points. Fijai Senior High School, 15 points. Round 3 is the problem of the day. In this round, a common problem is presented to the schools, and they have to provide a solution in 4 minutes on the screen, after which I'll go to the screen, evaluate their solutions, and award marks. When I come back to my seat, I would explain the solution as presented by the consultants and explain how the marks were awarded. At stake in this round, we have the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star, which will be awarded to a school that scores a perfect score of 10 in this round. At this stage, the NSMQ Star is worth 2,000 cedis to the team. That is 500 cedis to the 3 contestants and their teacher. The NSMQ Star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. Okay, so now you can turn over your sheets with the problem of the day and stand in front of your screen. Okay, so this is the problem of the day. An object is projected upward from level ground at an angle pi/6 above the horizontal. The mass of the object is 1.0 kilograms and the launch speed is 24 meters per second. So you are first to give correct to 2 significant figures, the value of standard gravity, G in SI units. Determine the magnitude of the vertical component of the object's initial velocity. Determine the speed of the object at its highest point. Determine the horizontal distance from the launch point to the highest point on the object's trajectory. And determine the potential energy of the object at its highest point. You can start work. Stop work. Take your seat. Okay, the schools have presented their solutions to the problem of the day on the screen. So this problem of the day was from physics. They were told that an object projected upward from level ground at an angle pi on 6 above the horizontal. They were given the mass of the object as 1.0 kilogram and its launch speed as 24 meters per second. They were to give to two significant figures the value of g in SI units. They were to determine the magnitude of the vertical component of the object's initial velocity. They were to determine the speed of the object at its highest point. They were to determine the horizontal distance from the launch point to the highest point on the object's trajectory. And they were to determine the potential energy of the object at its highest point. Okay. So for A, that was simple. G to two significant figures, 9.8 meters per second squared. If you stated that, you got 2 marks. The magnitude of the vertical component of the launch velocity For initial speed, u equals 25 meters per second, and launch angle theta pi on 6 will be u sine theta, right? Equal 24 meters per second times sine pi on 6, and this will give you 12 meters per second. You calculated this to you, and 2 points there. At the highest point, the vertical component of velocity vanishes. So the speed there is entirely the magnitude of the horizontal component of velocity, which remains at launch. And here you use u cos theta, which will be 24 by cos theta on 6, cos pi, sorry, pi. So 24 by cos pi on 6, which will give you 12 root 3 meters per second. Correct to two significant figures. This is 21 meters per second. You will earn 2 marks for that. The required distance, that is d, is half the horizontal range. So you calculate the range, and half of that, you calculated that, that's half of 24 sine 2 pi on 6 all over g, 9.8 meters per second squared. That will give you 25 meters, and that will earn you 2 marks as well. The potential E, the potential energy at the highest point, is the total energy conserved less the kinetic energy there. And so that would be half mu squared. You calculated that, or you could also use u equals mg, the height at the h at the highest point, and that will bring you to 72 joules. And that would also give you 2 marks. Okay. The solutions from the school. For that senior high school, they just worked A out. So they stated the value of G to 2 significant figures. And that was all they did. So they have 2 points. In Nsutaman, they solved for A, they solved for B, and they solved for the range. Right? They attempted, at least they put the formula there. They didn't end up at the displacement, so they would have 1 mark for that part. So in total, they earned 5 points, 5 out of 10. Fijai solved for A, they solved for B, and they put down the formula for D, although they didn't end up with the correct answer. Also for E, they put up MGH, and an attempt to solve for that. So for that, they would also have 6 out of 10. And that brings us to the end of round 3.
Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
to round 4. Nsutaman Catholic would like Intitete to come on for Edmond. Round 4. This is the Jupe true or false round, where statements. Okay, welcome, Mendy. In this true or false round, each school will have a series of statements read out to you, and you have to tell me if the statement I read out to your school is true or false. A correct answer will earn you 2 points. An incorrect answer, there will be a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, another school can ring for your question for the same point, 2 if they are correct, -1 if the answer is incorrect. In this round, Jupe money transfer will reward the school that during this season, the alumni will send money to Ghana using the school's exclusive promo code. For any amount the school sends or an alumni sends, the school will be rewarded with $20 for developmental projects in the school. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. I'll start from Nsutaman once again in this round. Nsutaman, the integral of x to the power half, so the power is half, 1/2, dx, equals x to the power 3/2. The power is 3/2 plus c. Yes, Mendy.
A false statement.
Yes, it's false. Fijai, the integral of x to the power -half dx equals 2x to the power half. The power is half plus c. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Order. The integral of x to the power 2/3, the power is 2/3 dx, equals 3/5. That 3/5 is in brackets. X to the power 5/3. The power is 5/3 plus c.
True.
Yes, that's true. Nsutaman, sodium nitrate is a neutral salt. Yes.
It's a true statement.
Yes, it's true. Fijai, ammonium chloride is an acidic salt. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Order, potassium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt.
True.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. Parenchyma cells occur. Parenchyma cells occur Nsutaman in fleshy parts of fruits. Yes, Mendy.
True.
It's true, yes. Fijai, in the endosperm of seeds. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Order, in the phlegm tissue.
True.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. The temperature of a sample of hydrogen gas in a rigid vessel is increased by 100 Kelvin. 100 Kelvin. Nsutaman, the average speed of a hydrogen molecule in the vessel increases. Yes, Mendy.
Okay. It's a true statement.
Yes, it's true. Fijai, the average kinetic energy of a hydrogen molecule in the vessel increases. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Order. The rate at which hydrogen molecule collides with the walls of the vessel increases.
True.
Yes, that's also true. Nsutaman, under a reflection in the x-axis, x, y goes to negative x, y. Yes.
A false statement.
It's false. Fijai, under a reflection in the y-axis, x, y goes to x, negative y.
False.
Yes, it's false. Order. Under a reflection in the line y equals 3, x, y goes to x, 6 minus y.
True.
Yes, that's correct. Nsutaman, alkenes with an E, decolorizing bromine water is an addition reaction. Yes.
A true statement.
Yes, it's true. Fijai, the reaction of ethene with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst always produces ethane. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Order. Alkanes generally react with halogens by a free radical mediated addition.
False.
Yes, that's false. A preamble. In ammonification. In ammonification. Ammonification. In ammonification. That's a preamble. Nsutaman, nitrogen is converted into ammonia by nitrogen fixes. Go ahead.
A false statement.
Yes, it's false. Fijai, urea is converted into ammonia by decomposers. Yes.
True.
Yes, that's true. Order. Nitrates are converted into ammonia by nitrogen fixes.
False.
Yes, that's false. Our last set of questions for this round. Nsutaman, if two nuclides are isotopes, they have the same atomic number. Yes, Mendy.
A true statement.
Yes, it's true. Fijai, if two nuclides are isotones, they have the same mass number. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Order. If two nuclides are isotopes, they have the same mode of decay.
False.
Yes, that is false. That brings us to the end of round 4.
energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefil. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
At the end of the fourth round, the scores are Oda Senior High School, 23 points. Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, 33 points. Fijai Senior High School, 37 points. In this final round of the contest, you'll be presented with 4 different riddles, and you have to solve for these riddles with the help of the clues I read out to you. At any time when you have an answer, you ring your bell and I'll allow you to give your answer. If it's the correct answer on the first clue, you have 5 points. If it's on the second clue, you have 4 points. Any other clue, you have 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty, but you stay out of that particular riddle and come back for the next one. In this round, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza, which will reward the school that scores 3 or 4 of the riddles correctly. If you answer 3 riddles correctly, you earn 800 cedis. If you answer all 4, you earn 1,200 cedis. This is the Goal Riddle Bonanza, which is proudly sponsored by Goal, Good Energy. So our first riddle. I am a common laboratory and industrial process. I rely on a porous medium to act as a barrier. I can be performed by gravity, pressure, or vacuum. My purpose is to separate solids. Yes, Nsutaman. Yes.
Filtration.
Yes, I'm filtration. Our next riddle. I am a polygon. I am a polygon. I have no center of symmetry. When I am equilateral, I am equiangular. I fit my outline in at most 6 positions. I have at most 3 axes of symmetry. The sum of my interior angles is half the sum of my exterior angles. Who am I? Yes, Nsutaman. Yes.
You are pentagon.
No, I'm not a pentagon. Oda.
Heptagon.
No, I'm not a heptagon. Fijai.
Pentagon.
They said pentagon. Does anybody from the audience knows which polygon I am? I am a triangle. A triangle. Our next riddle. I am a physical quantity. I characterize the state of motion of an object. For a free particle, I am conserved. For a particle, yes, Oda.
Kinetic energy.
Yes, I'm kinetic energy. Our last riddle. I am a musculotendinous structure. I have a peripheral attachment to a number of bony structures. I contract rhythmically and Yes, Fijai. Yeah, right? It's Fijai. Yes, Fijai.
The triceps and biceps.
No. Who else rang the bell? Nsutaman. Look at me and answer.
The cardiac muscle.
No. Further. I contract rhythmically and involuntarily due to signals from the brain. My contraction facilitates expansion of the thoracic cavity. I am the primary muscle that is active in inspiration. Who am I? Yes, Oda.
Intercostal muscles.
No. Anybody from the audience? Which muscle is involved in inspiration? The diaphragm. That brings us to the end of round 5. For joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Kivo Gari, Spain City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, GTP, and YFM. At the end of the contest, here are the scores. Oda Senior High School, 26 points. Nsutaman Catholic Senior High School, 36 points. Fijai Senior High School, 37 points. So in that keenly contested competition, Fijai Senior High School emerges winners and they qualify for the 1-8 stage of the competition. Congratulations to you, Fijai Senior High School. If your score remains the highest for today, you win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award. And at this stage, it is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Thelma Hineje, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Thank you.
Brings you quality choices with GOL Super XP. Available in many GOL stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a GOL station today and energize your ride with GOL Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. GOL Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. GOL, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a tooth